If you're seeing the Gmail SMTP error that says could not authenticate, don't worry. This is one of the most common email setup issues, and in most cases, it's very easy to fix. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to resolve it step by step so your website, app, or email client can send messages through Gmail again without the authentication error. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's get into it. First, you need to enable two-step verification on your Google account. This is important because Gmail no longer allows most apps to use your normal password for SMTP access. To do this, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com/security. Once the page loads, look for the section called How You Sign Into Google. In that section, click Two-Step Verification. Google will walk you through the setup process, and you'll need to follow the prompts to turn it on. If you already have two-step verification enabled, you can move on to the next step. Now that two-step verification is active, the next step is to generate a Gmail app password. This is the key fix for the could not authenticate error. Go back to the same security page at myaccount.google.com/security, then click two-step verification again. Scroll down until you find app passwords. If you don't see this option right away, make sure two-step verification is fully enabled first because app passwords only appear after that. When you open app passwords, Google may ask you to sign in again for security. After that, you'll see a screen where you can create a new app password. In the drop-down or name field, enter something easy to recognize like My Website SMTP or Outlook. This label is just for your reference so you know what the password is being used for later. Then click Create. Google will generate a 16-character app password for you. Copy it carefully because this is the password you'll use instead of your normal Gmail password. It usually appears in groups of 4 characters, but when you enter it into your SMTP settings, type it exactly as provided or paste it directly if your software allows it. Do not use your regular Gmail login password here because that is usually what causes the authentication failure in the first place. Next, open the email platform, plugin, website settings, or mail client where you're configuring Gmail SMTP. Find your SMTP password field and replace your normal Gmail password with the newly generated 16-character app password. This single change often fixes the authentication issue immediately. Save the settings, then test the connection or send a test email if your app provides that option. While you're verifying the configuration, make sure your SMTP settings are correct. Your SMTP server should be smtp.gmail.com for TLS or STARTTLS. Use port 587. For SSL, use port 465. Authentication should be enabled or required, and the security settings should be set to TLS or SSL depending on the port you choose. These details matter because even with the right password, the connection can still fail if the server, port, or encryption mode is incorrect. If the error still appears after updating the app password, double check that there are no typos in the email address, server name, or port number. Also confirm that two-step verification is really turned on because without it, app passwords will not work. In some cases, you may need to remove the old SMTP configuration, save the changes again, and reconnect using the new app password. Once everything is saved correctly, your Gmail SMTP connection should authenticate successfully, and your emails should start sending normally again. This fix is simple, secure, and the most reliable way to solve the Gmail SMTP could not authenticate error. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and step-by-step software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.